Hello, my lovely children, my dear students. I hope all of you are learning well, and we have successfully completed 2010. Now we are in 2021 and completed two video also with 51, 52, 52, 53, 51, 52, and 53, 54. Two videos has been completed. Now we'll be with next 55 and 56. Two questions will be discussed now, and the date will be 5th. 5th of March. So question number 55 and the date is 5th of March. Okay. So we'll first understand the question. Later I'll make you to understand the answer, how we can understand or how we can like solve the question, and what are the chances is there to find out the answer in the question itself. Okay. So as I told you, maths is a mirror. You should not go anywhere and find out anywhere anything on the answer. You should not break your head. You have to be analyze properly the question, then you will get an answer. Okay. Let us start. Question number 55. The difference between the place value of 2. See, the difference between place value, the difference between place values of two sevens is 27307. 27307 is. So this is the question. Okay. So I'll write first the options. Then later we'll discuss about the question and how we can find out the answer in the question itself. A, B, C, D. So A is how much? 55, 6993. So B is 7300. C 307. D just 40. Okay, the difference between the place value of sevens. Clear? So I hope you can able to understand what the question is related to. Okay, the difference between place values of two sevens is, okay, 1 and 2 sevens. So here is two place value is how much? One is in the ones place, tens, hundred, thousand. Second one is in the thousand place. So the person who has prepared the question, he is asking what is the place value of these two sevens. So that means, as we understood and as we discussed or as you learned in the classroom, what you can understand, you can say only 7 is in the ones place and another one 7 is in the thousands place, that you can say. But here we don't have anything, so we have 7 only in the thousand place. Here 7 is in the ones place, but we cannot mark two options as an answer. Correct. So we cannot do that. That's really not the right way. If you do that, then you won't get a marks. Each questions will be having a only one option. That should be correct option. You should not choose two options for each question. I hope that you knows that. Then how we can solve this question? That is the major issue or major challenge now. Okay. So what you can do is, will plan this accordingly and I'll just tell you in an easy manner. Fine. So 70372. What we'll do? We'll just try to subtract it. Subtract from what? 7307 is the one place value, thousands place value, then the ones place value here. Clear? So I have noted four numbers. 7307 is the first one, that is the thousands, and this is in the ones place. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. Fine, this is what we have learned. We will just subtract 0, 0, 3, 7. So that means 7300 is the answer. See how simple is it? So that's why I usually tell you guys to understand the question first. If you can understand the question, then you can answer or you can solve the questions properly. You won't be having a much confusion. Okay. If you have to avoid the confusion, that means you should read the question twice. Rather than wasting the time of solving the question and choosing the option multiple or making the mistakes, what you have to do is you have to plan and you have to think twice and you have to read twice the question. What question is demanding as condition is fine. So I hope you understood how we can solve this kind of questions. Clear? So we'll go with next question now. Are you okay? Fine. So I hope you are understanding questions very clearly, right? So I don't want you to do the hurry and do some mistakes. I don't want you to do the mistakes, okay? Don't do the mistakes in the maths, and if you done this small mistake also, your entire question or answers or whatever you have solved, that is going to be collapse. Right? So whenever you are doing the calculation or when you are reading the question, read properly. Fine. So let's move to next question, that is question number 56. Today we are going to solve two questions. Fine. Fine. So next the question number is 56. Let's see what kind of question it is and how we can solve this question. Which one of the following is the prime number? See, this question is totally different. Which one of the which one of the following is a prime number. Clear? So this is the condition, prime number. Okay. Here prime number means you should know very clear prime numbers from start from 1 to or 0 to 100, which are the prime number comes. Okay. I'll write it answer here like options and later I'll explain you how we can find out the prime number. 81, 83, 85, 87. 81, 83, 85, 87. So there are four options which we received. Okay. So out of these four, we have to understand the prime number, which one it is. See, don't get confused. Even number, add number is totally different from the prime number. In Kannada language, ಸಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಮತ್ತು ಬೆಸ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅವೆರಡಕ್ಕಿಂತ ವಿಭಿನ್ನವಾಗಿರುವ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅದು ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಅಂತ. 0ಯಿಂದ 100ರವರೆಗೆ ಅವಿಭಾಜ್ಯ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಬಯಾಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ I'll explain which are the numbers comes under the prime numbers. Then you note down and make it habit with the practice, and just remember like how you remember with the logic of like even and add number. The same thing you have to be remember. This is very important. Every year they will ask one question without fail in Navodaya, and there will be another competitive exam called as a NMMS that will be conducted for a standard student. Okay, I'll just explain you which are the prime numbers between 0 to 100. Okay, so 0 to 100 between, right? I'll just write it here. You can understand how we can do it. 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. See, this is not a odd number. Okay, this is a even number. These all add numbers, but this entire number comes under the prime number. Now here we'll start 13, 17, 19, 23 and 29. You should remember this clearly. Okay, so next comes 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. I'm just writing in a column wise where you can understand easily. 53, 59, 61, 67, 71. Again 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. Right? Yes. Fine. So these are the prime numbers between 2 to 100. So usually they will ask the question for each and every year. One question will be there in the Navodaya examination. What you have to do is you have to remember the difference of the number 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So this you have to remember with one even number with remaining odd numbers. 3, 5, 7, 9 is not there, 11. Okay, so 9 is not there. You should not get confused again. 9 is the add number, but 9 is not here in the prime numbers. Start from 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. That you have to remember properly. See here, add number, odd number, odd number, odd number, odd number. 13, 17, 19, 21. It's going to be divided, but 23 no, 29 is no. So these all odd numbers, 100% in the second row. Fine. 13 is not divisible. 17, 19, 23, 29. It's not going to divide from any tables. Clear? So here again we can find out 31, 37. Missing is 33. Okay. 33 we can call it as a odd number because it will divide by 11. So that's why we have cancelled here 37, 41, 43, 47. Okay. Here also all odd numbers considered as a even number. 53, 59, 61, 67, 71. Here also odd numbers. Again 73, 79, 83, 89, 97. These also odd numbers. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 4, 5. 5, 5, total 25 numbers. Between 2 to 97, total 25 numbers are there. That is prime number. Understood? So in that, which is going to matching here? 81 we have? No. 83? Yes, we have. Then 85 we don't have. 87 we don't have. That means the prime number is 83. If you know the prime number, if you remember all the numbers, prime numbers, then no need to write or do all the circus here. Instead of doing all this circus and wasting the time and your pen and paper, you can go directly with the 83. Don't get confused. 81 is not the prime number because 71 is there, 73 is there, 79 and 83 is there, not 81. Understood? So that's how in hurry, in urgency, okay, you may do the mistake. That's why I am just showing you and I am repeating you with clearly what definitely you are going to do, and I know you are not going to do with the purpose. By mistake you may do. You may, so I don't want you to do the mistake because it's very important in the examination. So each questions will be having a 1 marks, or each questions carry 1 marks in the Navodaya examination. So that's why you should not be waste not even one question, and you should not lose not even 1 marks, and you should not do not even one question wrong. If you done the wrong, then you will be in a trouble. So it's very difficult you to get through in the Navodaya examination, and you may not be succeed or you may not be pass in the examination. So that is the criticality. Okay. So we have completed on 5th, 55 and 56. So what we can do is next 57 and 58 with the next video. Okay. Fine. So nevertheless, I think we have learned a lot of things till today, and I expect you to learn every day at least one mathematics question, and because each and every day in your day-to-day life you need a mathematics one or the other place, wherever you go or whatever you do, and wherever you are staying, either in village or district or taluk or town or national or international level, wherever the place you are going to stay, everywhere it's required the mathematics. And as I usually suggest, everybody should learn the mathematics because across the world maths remain the same comparing to other 5 or 6 subject whatever you are going to study in the classroom. Because if you can take has a history, the history may not be same with the all the places. It may changes with places to place. I am not talking about the taluk district or state level. It changes place to place, and there will be a different history from different places. So that's why you cannot predict or you cannot expect each and every time everywhere wherever you go, the history should be remain the same. That is not possible and it's impossible. Okay. Coming to the English, you may use English wherever you need, because some places they need local languages. Wherever you go, it may be state language or national language, wherever it's required and what will be the popularity, that kind of languages you have to use. You cannot use everywhere English. If you coming to the Hindi, you cannot say it's a national language. It's only the state wise, and wherever it's required they are going to speak about it. And if you come into the state wise, we have a different states in India, and we all states we speak our own state language. For example, Karnataka we speak Kannada. If you go to Tamil Nadu, they speak Tamil. If you go to Telugu Desham, that's a AP, Andhra Pradesh, they speak Telugu. If you go to Malayalam, they speak like a Kerala. Okay, so like that, different states, they speak their own state language. That is the reason, don't compare the maths with any other subjects. Maths is really easy. You have to be use your unique and innovative idea to understand, and you have to learn it. If you learn properly, then definitely you will be succeed in your life. Fine. Anyways, let's catch you next in the class of 6th 6th of March. Till that, don't miss me and my video. At least watch every day one video, at least 20 minutes. Spend time to learn the maths, where your career will be built and you will be succeed in your life in the mathematics. Till that, bye. See you.